Hi, I'm Baron from Tameson, and today we're going to talk about angle seat valves. We're first going to see what an angle seat valve is, how it works, what makes them so popular in industrial applications, and how to select one for yourself. First, what makes an angle seat valve distinct from other valves is that it has an angled seat. Because the seat is angled, the flow of the fluid is barely interrupted when the valve is open. The result, an excellent flow rate and low pressure drop. While there is some variation in different angle seat valves, the optimal seat angle is around 45 degrees from the horizontal. Angle seat valves can be operated manually or with a pneumatic or electric actuator. For a manual angle seat valve, you simply rotate the handle multiple times to close, open or partially open the valve. For a valve with a pneumatic actuator, the working principle can be either normally closed, normally open, or double acting. A normally closed valve is closed when there is no air pressure. On the other hand, a normally open valve is open unless air pressure closes it. Both types have a spring to return the valve plug to its original position when the air pressure is released. A double acting angle seat valve uses compressed air to move in both directions, providing greater flow control without relying on a spring. An electric actuator works the same way as the pneumatic one, just with electric power rather than compressed air. When choosing an angle seat valve, it is important to consider the following criteria. First, consider the housing and seal material. The material must be compatible with the media flowing through it, as well as the environment. In addition, it is important to select durable material that meets the application's temperatures and pressure requirements. Second, ensure that the valve meets the application's flow rate. Third, decide on the actuation method. A pneumatically actuated angle seat valve requires a compressed air source. An electrically actuated valve requires a dependent electrical source, while a manual valve can be operated manually. If you're using electric or pneumatic, you will also have to decide if the valve should be normally open, normally closed, or double acting. Fourth, pneumatic actuated valves are very fast. If there is a risk of water hammer, choose a version where the flow direction is against the closing of the valve. This is called closing against flow. Lastly, decide if any safety standards are required for your angle seat valve, like ATEX certification for explosive environments or DVGW certification for drinking water applications. Next, discover some common applications for angle seat valves. These valves can deliver millions of cycles in demanding applications. They can operate over 1,000 cycles per hour with a projected life of over 10 million cycles. A stainless steel angle seat valve can be used in applications that require precise control of fluid flow. It can be used, for example, in water treatment facilities, HVAC, steam, and pneumatic systems. A brass angled seat valve can be used for water, drinking water, and neutral fluids. Angle seat valves work great for applications due to their minimal flow independence and pressure drop. Check out the full range of different angle seat valves that we offer at Tameson. If you found this a useful video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions about angle seat valves or any other product, please contact me or anyone else at Tameson.